Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chancha Mulchandani, and today I'm gonna talk about the topic how you should look before appearing for an interview, or what should be your grooming guidelines if you are going for a cabin crew interview. And I'm gonna tell you about for both, either it's female or either male candidates, so that you guys could get an idea that how you should look if you want to look presentable and attractive. So first things come first. We'll start from top to bottom. Let's make it easy. So first of all, it's our hair. We'll go with female first, ladies first, and then we will talk about gentlemen's. So for ladies, what you could do if you know how to make a French bun or classic bun, French braids. I mean, or like plain bun basically. It doesn't matter. What matters is bun. Okay, your hair should be packed, neatly packed actually. And to make them neatly packed, what you have to do is you just have to apply some gel. You can also apply aloe vera gel. You can apply spray. Well, personally, I would not suggest to apply spray, but you have really frizzy hair or very thick hair. If you think that okay, वो aloe vera gel से fix नहीं हो पा रहा है, so I mean you can apply for aloe vera gel or hair gel also or spray also, whatever suits you. What matters is that your hair it should be away from your face and it should be packed properly. पीछे तक पूरा packed होना चाहिए, ठीक है? बाल निकलना, it doesn't look presentable. Open hair, for those who have short hair, what you could do is, you can make simple koi sa bhi twisties from the forward, whatever suits you. Either it's half parting, middle parting or side parting, the way I have done side parting, and then just like make twisties, okay, and then apply some gel also. After that, we will talk about male candidates. So for male candidates, make sure that your hair it should be very 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 small. एक अच्छा सा spikes बना करके and then apply some good amount of gel. Again, gel is something which is very very mandatory, and I believe like it sets your hair basically, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा गॉशी सा नहीं लगता है, प्रेजेंटेबल लगता है फेस. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, हेयर से आपका बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस पड़ता है आपके मेकअप पे, आपके फेस पे. ओके, सो येस, फॉर हेयर अबाउट द जेंटलमैन्स, जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट इट शुड बी स्मॉल. आपके बाल बहुत बड़े से नहीं होने चाहिए, या फिर ऐसे नहीं चाहिए कि आपके फेस पे आ रहा है. सो वट एवर हेयर स्टाइल सूट्स यू, सेम फॉर फीमेल्स and males, whatever hairstyle suits you, just ensure that it should be properly packed and it should be away from your face. Okay, your face should be visible. Then next topic is regarding makeup. Let's come to face. We'll go with ladies first. So ladies, do any kind of a makeup whatever suits you. Like, what I would suggest is go for a lipstick shade or eyeshadow shade which suits your face. So there are some people jinko red lipstick it suits, so you can go for red lipstick and apply nude. You can also go for whole nude look. You can also go for thoda sa pinkish look, okay, and apply pink lipstick. If you think that okay, pink lipstick is suiting me, then definitely you can go for that. So basically your makeup should look clean and fresh. Don't apply some glittery or something. It doesn't look presentable and it doesn't look professional, and you have to look professional and smart. Okay, and for gentlemen, so basically what I would suggest is, like, there are some men's also, male candidates who apply makeup. So if you think that okay, my skin is something which needs some makeup, then definitely you can go for that. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ girls ही apply करते हैं makeup. There is nothing like that. There are gentlemen also who apply makeup. Okay, so you can go for a basic foundation or something. If you have some acne scars or something, उसको hide वगैरह करने के लिए definitely you could do that, but ज़्यादा मत कर देना, otherwise वो face पे पता चलेगा. And before applying, what you could do is check your skin shade before going for foundation and all these things. Check what you are picking for your face, ठीक है? And those who doesn't want to apply makeup, you can go for your skincare. apply really acha sa good quality of moisturizer which gives some kind of shine to your skin. And apply sunscreen also. Like if you are going for a good sunscreen, then definitely it will give some really good amount of shine, and your face will look automatically attractive if it is glowing. So yes, you can also apply makeup and skincare also for male candidates. Then third point, it's regarding your accessories. So for ladies, I mean, what I would suggest, like, for watches, let's talk about watches only first. So watches में what you could do is, I mean, go for black shades, और जिसका पट्टा ब्लैक कलर का होता है, ब्राउन कलर का होता है. यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर गोल्डन चेन्स, यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर फैमिली ऑफ वाइट, वट एवर सूट्स यू. बट वट यू हैव टू इंश्योर इज दैट बहुत सी एक वो जो चेन वाली जो होती हैं वॉचेस, दे आर वेरी बहुत ढीली ढीली सी होती हैं. प्लीज़ इंश्योर दैट वॉच जो है इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली फिट, आपकी रिस्ट में प्रॉपरली फिट होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट लुक्स नाइस, ट्रस्ट मी. एंड इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर दैट स्ट्रैप वाला वॉच, देन प्लीज़ इंश्योर दैट वो एक हैवी सा या फिर अगेन ग्लिटरी सा या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्ली सा नहीं लगना चाहिए. ऑलवेज गो फॉर सॉलिड कलर्स और डार्क कलर्स लाइक ब्राउन, वाइट, ब्लैक, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. And it's same for male candidates also. If you are wearing a watch, please ensure to follow the color card, to follow the shades and everything, and follow the guideline regarding the straps also, which I told you that it should be like this, it should be like that. So yes, you can go for this for watches. And if you yes, in females there is one more point regarding the fourth point. It's regarding necklace or earrings. So I've seen there are some female candidates who wear pearl necklace. So ladies, if you are wearing that, like if you will talk about my personal opinion, so what I would suggest, please don't wear, because I mean, like it doesn't go properly with your outfit. Like it doesn't look nice if you are wearing a necklace with skirt or something. Just always go for like ekdam neutral सी thing. If you are wearing a gold chain patla sa, that is also acceptable, but don't go for heavy necklaces. It doesn't look nice, okay, and it doesn't look professional. Then we will also talk about earrings. So for earrings, if you will talk about females, so ladies, please ensure you are wearing pearl earrings or studs, or you must have also seen gold earrings जो एकदम छोटे छोटे से होते हैं, right? You can wear that also, okay. And accessories में we also have rings like the one I'm wearing. So प्लीज़ इंश्योर दैट यू आर नॉट वेयरिंग रिंग जो बहुत बड़ी सी हो, या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा शाइन कर रही हो, या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा आई कैची हो. इट्स गुड टू नॉट वेयर अ रिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. बट इवन इफ यू आर वेयरिंग, यू आर मैरिड और वट एवर XYZ रीज़न इज, इफ यू आर वेयरिंग, प्लीज़ इंश्योर दैट इट शुड बी नाइस, सिंपल सी, सटल सी एकदम से, ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव नेल्स. ओके, so for nails, it's for we will talk about females first. So ladies, for nails, I mean, it's a bonus tip. First of all, if you are applying a red lipstick, so your nail color, it should be of red, okay. If you are applying a pink lipstick, then your nail paint shade, your nail color, it should be in pink in color. If you are applying for a nude lipstick, then go for nude shades. And if you are applying a red lipstick and you don't have red nail paint, that's fine, you can apply nude shade तो बाबा सबके साथ जाता है. Even if you are applying pink color का lipstick shade also, then nude shade will definitely work with that, okay. And let's talk about the shape of the nails. So it should be square shape, or you can also go for oval, circle, I mean whatever suits you. And even if you don't have आपके नाखून छोटे से ही हैं, then that is also fine. बिकॉज बहुत से लोगों के ग्रो नहीं होते हैं नेल्स ज़्यादा. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो फाइन एंड एक्सेप्टेबल. What matters is that it should be nicely painted, okay? And what you could do is there nowadays people also go for French nails, so you can go for that also. French nails is also a good to go thing, but again it depends from person to person, whatever suits you. But please ensure that it should be painted, okay? एंड डोंट डू ओके पिंक कलर का लिपस्टिक लगा लिया, रेड कलर का नेल पेंट लगा लिया. नो प्लीज़, बिग नो फॉर दैट. इट डजंट लुक नाइस. And for male candidates, please ensure that your nails, it should be properly trimmed, okay? And it should look, एकदम एक प्रेजेंटेबल नेल्स लगने चाहिए आपके, बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स वाइल टॉकिंग आपके हैंड जेस्चर्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा हाथ जाता है, जैसे आप लोगों का अभी मेरे हैंड जेस्चर्स पे जा रहा होगा. सो प्लीज़ इंश्योर दैट आपके नेल्स प्रॉपरली क्लीन होने चाहिए. आइदर इट्स फॉर गर्ल्स और आइदर इट्स फॉर जेंटलमेन्स ऑल्सो. And then and yes, one more point for males also, like बहुत से there are males what they do is कि ठीक है पूरा का पूरा इट्स छोटू छोटू सा एंड थंब का बड़ा कर लिया, या फिर इसका एक किसी भी एक फिंगर का एक नेल बड़ा कर लिया. गाइस प्लीज़, एक दिन के लिए आप अपने नेल्स चॉप कर सकते हो एंड लेटर ऑन आप उसको बढ़ा सकते हो, ठीक है? एंड फॉर एसेसरीज फॉर बॉयज़ ऑल्सो, गाइस प्लीज़ डोंट. देयर आर सम जेंटलमैन हु वेयर स्टड्स in their ear. Guys, please don't wear that. And for females also, another point is nose pin. Ladies, if you wear a nose pin, please remove the nose pin and while appearing for an interview, and apply some really good amount of concealer or foundation over there, because there must be a hole. आपका hole होगा यहाँ पे, right? उस hole को cover up करने के लिए, because any which way if you are going for an interview, you will get selected. So any which way you have to remove that nose pin during training and while wearing a uniform, as it is not permitted, okay? Then let's talk about your dresses. So your attire basically. So for females, ladies, you can wear a pencil skirt. You can also wear basically formal business attire. You can go for lower wear mein you can wear trouser, pants or skirts. And if I'll talk about trouser, or if you're wearing a pant, then ladies, it's a good to go if you're wearing a skirt, because it's a safer side. But yes, if you are wearing a trouser or a pant, then please ensure that it should be written in the grooming guideline of that particular airline जिसके लिए you are applying, ठीक है? So always go through before appearing for an interview regarding their requirements, that how they want you to be groomed, what are their grooming guidelines. So during winters, basically they say that okay, you can wear winters. Like in my when I went for my Vistara interviews, so I wore trouser only because winters का season था. And any which way, विस्तारा में तो वी यूज़ टू हैव ट्राउजर्स, पैंट्स होते थे हमारे, सो दैट वॉज परमिटेड. देयर वर सम लेडीज़ हु वर वेयरिंग स्कर्ट्स ऑल्सो. सो अगेन इट डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम एयरलाइन टू एयरलाइन एंड ऑफ कोर्स योर comfort zone, because if you are wearing trouser and your uniform is a skirt, for an example, if you are wearing a trouser and you are applying for a Indigo airline, then Indigo में तो you must be aware about their uniform, right? That they have skirt एंड घुटने तक ही होता है, वो नी लेंथ तक होता है. देन डेफिनेटली ड्यूरिंग एन इंटरव्यू दे विल, वाइल डूइंग योर स्किन चेक, वाइल चेकिंग योर स्कार्स एंड एवरीथिंग, दे विल चेक योर लेग्स ऑल्सो below the knees, okay? So it's a safer side to go for pencil skirt and or business skirt, whatever is feasible for you, okay? And then regarding the shirt or the blouses, ladies, if you are wearing, it's a good to go if you are wearing a shirt. It always look professional. But yes, if you don't have any shirt or something, then what you could do is you can wear a plain high neck kind of a top, okay? There shouldn't be any kind of prints or something, any dots, polka dots. This is my line hai in my top, you could see. There shouldn't be nothing should be like that. It should be properly plain, or either safe side, good to go. You can go for shirts, okay, blouse में. Then you can wear blazer also. It that also, I mean, gives a professional look. But yes, if you are wearing a shirt, then it is not compulsory to wear a blazer. But if you are wearing a high neck or any kind of a top, then you have to wear a blazer. Okay, I repeat, you have to wear a blazer if you are going for any kind of a top or something, because again it doesn't look professional. Then for gentlemen also it's same. You can wear any shirt or and formal business attire, blazer with trousers, pants. And yes, for if you will talk about color, so always go for solid colors. I mean, you can go for males and females, for both of them. You can go for black color, which is very common, and you can also go for brown, gray, dark blue, navy blue kind of a color. And you can also go for dark green, I mean proper dark green, which जो कि ना थोड़ा बहुत black की तरह लगता है. You can go for that also. So basically, and white also, I mean white is also good to go, because I also wore a white blazer. Like, I love wearing white. I don't know why, I love wearing white. So yes, I wore white blazer with white trouser during my Vistara interview. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the video till the end. And yes, इस वीडियो का मैंने एक और पार्ट बनाया है, पार्ट 2 ऑफ ग्रूमिंग गाइडलाइंस ऑफ बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल कैंडिडेट्स, बिकॉज ये वीडियो ना बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया था. सो आई थॉट कि वाई नॉट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो इन 2 parts. And yes, you guys can ask any kind of questions in the comment section or either on my Instagram handle. I will share the link of my Instagram handle in the description box below, and part 2 of grooming guidelines also in the description box. By the time, take care.